Harass.
Casey, get him.
Get him, Casey.
He's not even. He's just.
Yeah, Casey.
Oh my god! Hey!
Casey's my protector.
Get him, Casey. Oh!
Get him. Eat his face. That's what it is. Eat him.
It's like, I want to play.
Get him going. Casey, get out the way.
Because Casey's just doing it. Because Kyra keeps getting Casey. Push him, Dad. Oh.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god.
Didn't want to fight me no more.
He's all fixated on Casey. Oh no.
Now he's scared.
Oh my god. Are you actually fighting him?
Oh yeah. Clump on both full of hair.
He took it though. That was gross.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god!
Why are you backing up?
Because he's gonna eat you. It's like, you wanna fight, dude?
Hey, shut up.
He's fixated on something else now. Oh.
Casey! What?
Back his face on the chair.
Who?
Dog.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
You're not a tough dog.
Oh shoot.
Ow.
I think he's all played out now.
Ow, you little fucker.